Here we go, folks. 747 inbound Silkway. Absolutely beautiful stuff. What a shot that is. Stunning. It's absolute stunning. This is why we love Stansted, folks. Ken, thank you so much. I know you're a massive fan of the 747. You know, a lot of people ignore Stansted, but Stansted just offers some beauties like this. And when you give Stansted a chance, it just pays off. How about that? What a stunner. Thank you, Ken. Much appreciated as always. We'll give you a wave. But let's zoom in on that hump. This is the Silkway 747 that the nose does open. The laughing 747 with the smile. You can kind of see the opening there. Can you see it? Look how close we are. Beautiful. So proud. Thank you, Stansted. Well, the wind battles. Isn't it beautiful? Everyone is just focusing on that 7.4. And why wouldn't you?